Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Builder menu in Minecraft. First, you'll learn how to open this powerful tool, typically through a simple command or by being in creative mode. We'll then cover the core functions, like placing large sections of blocks or clearing areas with ease. This menu is designed to streamline your building process, making complex projects much more manageable and fun. Get ready to transform your Minecraft world efficiently. The Builder menu offers several essential functions to speed up your construction. The Fill command lets you instantly place thousands of blocks within a specified three-dimensional space. Similarly, the Replace command is perfect for swapping out one type of block for another across a large area. Mastering these tools will significantly reduce the time you spend on repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on creative design rather than manual labor. Once you're comfortable with the basics, you can explore more advanced techniques. Learning to use coordinates accurately is crucial for precise building and modifying specific areas. The copy and paste functions are incredibly powerful, enabling you to duplicate entire structures or sections of your build effortlessly. Don't be afraid to experiment with various block types and their orientations to create unique and intricate designs. These methods will elevate your building skills. To truly master the Builder menu, consistent practice is key. The more you use the commands, the more intuitive they will become, allowing you to build faster and with greater confidence. Combining various tools and functions will unlock your potential for creating truly complex and detailed structures. Remember, a well-organized workspace, both in-game and in real life, enhances productivity. For a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below. Happy building!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.